Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin with quick verification. Identify whether the side pin is a spring bar, a crown/stem, or a set screw. Use a loop and a bright light to see the notch or detent. Once identified, position the watch face down on a soft pad and steady it against movement. Grab a spring bar tool or a 0.81, 2 mm push pin depending on type. Make sure your hands are steady and your work area is well lit before you apply pressure. Now, align your tool with the detent or notch. Press inward toward the watch center to compress the spring or disengage the set screw. Once done, pull the strap or crown outward while maintaining inward pressure. The pin should clear the lug or stem tube. If it's stiff, make small back and forth movements while keeping force steady, because sudden jerks can bend parts. For a set screw style, use the correct driver and turn counterclockwise slowly until the pin releases. Keep parts organized as they come free. Finish by sliding the pin fully out and inspecting it for bends, burrs, or corrosion. Replace any damaged part before reassembly. When reinstalling, reverse the steps. Compress or align the pin, guide it into the lug or stem tube, and ensure it seats flush with even pressure. Once done, cycle the crown or strap to confirm secure engagement. If the pin won't budge, apply a single drop of penetrating oil and wait 10-15 minutes. If still stuck,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.